How to dropship in Shopee Philippines. So if you want to dropship on Shopee, like if you want to start the dropshipping business on your Shopee, then here are the steps that you need. So the first thing you need to do is set up your Shopee store. The first step to do the dropshipping business is undoubtedly creating your Shopee online store. You can register a Shopee account for free and enter all the seller details including username, gender, birthday, email, and bank account. After creating your Shopee seller account, you can set up the shipping info. You need to use the non-Shopee supported logistics to do the drop shipping. Because you don't use Shopee supported logistics to ship packages, after Shopee approved your application, you will see others shipping methods in your seller center. And the second thing you need to do is find your supplier. A reliable supplier is one of the key factors to grow your dropshipping business because it relates to the product quality, shipping, and customer service. And the third thing is source products from your supplier. After finding your right suppliers, you can source products and publish products to your own store. It is easy with third party tools to source products, and here you can go with big seller. You can simply have an option of scrape to big seller. You can click on it and then you can scrape the current page. Or the fourth thing you can do is ship your orders. For dropshipping orders, you don't need to ship packages yourself. When you get orders, what you need to do is purchase orders from your supplier and enter your customer's address. Then your supplier will ship the package to your customers directly. Once the tracking number is received from your supplier, you can enter the tracking number to Shopee and send the tracking info to your customers. So it's easy to start your dropshipping business on Shopee, and Shopee is the fastest growing e-commerce online marketplace. It's a great chance to start your dropshipping business on Shopee now. You can just go and try it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.